Oh, bad. You're not concentrating on any of these lessons. It's a bit bad. Well, what did I just say?
The short tells the minutes.
เพนถามก็ได้ How many hands are there on the clock?
2.
2 hands. What are the 2 hands called?
Think. The short one tells
ไม่เอาแค่ชื่อเฉย
hand.
Oh my god. What? Seriously?
Hand.
พี่แทนจะต้องพูดอีกรอบนะพี่แทนจะมิสเบอร์พูดไม่ชัดThere are 2 hands on the clock. There is the short hand and the long hand. The short hand tells the hour and the long hand tells the minute. Get that? What are the 2 hands called?
The short one tells the minute.
I only want the name, not what it does.
Hands.
Seriously?
Hands.
Are you guys kidding me?
Hands.
No. I have to say it again. There are 2 hands on the clock.
You said hands.
Seriously, this is not a comedy show. This is a serious class. This is not a comedy show. And you are not concentrating one bit. And what are you doing? Just now you were putting on your buttons and doing something with your buttons, and now you are doing something with your shirt. Stop. I am going to say it the last time. If you don't know, I'm going to pass it and you're not going to know it again. Okay?
I want to know it. I want to know.
You show
2.
Is that correct? I think it's yes, correct. What is this one called?
short or long? Short or long?
What is this called? The line over here. You see? It's the line.
The line.
The line the line to here, to the number 10.
Hand.
Line.
Seriously. Okay, I'm going to tell you one more time, and it's the last time. There are 2 hands on the clock. See it? 2 hands.
2 hands.
There is the short hand and the long hand. The short hand tells the hour, and the long hand tells the minute. Okay. How many hands are there on the clock? I have to
2.
cycle through everything. Okay. What are the 2 hands called? The what and the what?
The minute and
Guy or something.
Okay. You see, this is long and this is short. So this is obviously called the short hand. And that is the long hand, okay? How many hands are there on a clock? I'm gonna let you
2.
remember that, of course. And what are the 2 hands called? Just told you just now. playing with your shirt. I know what's the problem. It's your shirt. Your shirt is not making it better. Tell me, please. I need to know. I don't know.
The hour, the minute.
Okay, you're close. You should see. It's long and it's short. I'm saying that for the 50,000th time. What are you doing? Sit properly. What are the two hands called?
The minute and the minute.
Are you kidding me? I just said, I just said,
Minute and the hour.
Oh.
what happened?
And the hour.
You said that, and I said it was close because that is just, oh my God, what happened here? It is a bit big.
Yeah.
It is too big to resist. Two hands. Okay. This is an interview from Tan. Okay.
Which one is
You know-
short, which one is long?
She watched this for one time, and I said it to her for like 7 times.
This long
And I thought
short.
I'd say it like
For the short one is hour.
100,000
Okay.
and one
And the
time.
long one
Yeah.
is
And
minute.
I said,
Hour,
oh
minute,
my
hour,
God.
minute.
Yes. Yes.
And I said, what
For the hour.
are the...
And yeah.
How many hands are there on a clock?
2.
Stop playing with your shirt. You're not learning anything. Stop. I said stop.
Stop playing with your shirt. Playing with his shirt.
Well, if you're here for a comedy show, it's there, not here. Okay, what are the 2 hands on the clock?
The minute and the hour.
Are you serious?
The minute
Are you
The
serious?
minute and hour. Yes, yes.
Seriously?
and hour.
Yes.
Seriously?
Which one is short and which one is long?
Yeah,
Hour is this one, and then
this one.
minute is this one.
What is this one?
Oh, the hour is short, and the longer is. Oh,
I think
the minute
Tanya.
is
Tanya,
the long.
just forget it. You just have to forget what I said because it's not true. Long hand is not for minutes, and short hand is not for minutes. Just forget it, okay? Okay? Forget.
Okay.
It's not true. It's
Hour and minute.
No, I said don't remember it already, okay? Just forget it. Forget it, okay? How many hands are there on a clock? I'm saying that for the 54th time.
2.
Okay. What are the 2 hands on the clock? There's like 20 minutes to go.
Minute.
I said forget about minutes and hour. Forget it. You don't need those for this answer. Look at the clock. What does it look like?
Clock.
The lines. What does the lines look like? Oh my God.
X.
How is it in comparison? I don't think she does it.
X.
Ugh.
A big X and a small.
I said, forget about minutes and hour. And she still said, minutes, hour. And I said, oh my God, because, oh my God. And I'm going to say, oh my God. Well, this is very awkward because, yeah, she is not forgetting anything. Yeah.
And remember, don't play with your shirt. His shirt.
คุณตา Hey, no sticker. Okay,
ครูต้องใจดีหน่อยนะ
look. You see? You point. Point any line and say if it's long or short.
Short, long.
Uh-huh. It's called the shorthand and the longhand. Okay?
The short hand and the long.
Okay, see? Okay, she remembers it. Okay.
Short hand and long hand.
What are
Okay.
the two hands on the clock? Serious?
Line.
Oh my God! Why didn't she remember that? It is the worst thing. Well, you said line. Well, it's technically a line. Oh my God! The long hand and the what?
The short hand.
Ah!